MentorCruise Honest Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. MentorCruise isn't just another mentorship platform. You won't believe how it connects you with experts in tech, design, marketing, and more. Most people get this wrong by thinking mentorship is generic, but the surprising truth is MentorCruise lets you select mentors, set your goals, and get tailored guidance. Pricing varies depending on the mentor and session frequency. Typically, weekly mentorship ranges from $2 per month. Some mentors offer one-off sessions or shorter commitments at lower costs. Many people get this wrong by assuming price equals quality, but the platform allows you to read reviews, check experience, and select mentors who align with your goals. MentorCruise also provides structured support through messaging, portfolio reviews, and accountability check-ins. You won't believe how much faster skill development happens when a mentor guides your learning path and keeps you on track. In conclusion, MentorCruise pricing reflects the expertise and personalized support you receive. For professionals looking to accelerate careers or gain industry insights, it offers strong value. By investing in mentorship, you gain clarity, actionable guidance, and a faster route to achieving your professional goals.